Hi, everyone, and welcome. My name is Sue Kennedy from the Author Academy, and I just wanted to talk about the first steps to writing your book and what those steps are, just so that you can get started pretty much. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing, if my slides work, there they are. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is determine the genre and the target audience that you have. So, what type of book are you interested in writing? Who do you want to actually read that book? So, knowing the genre and the target audience is going to actually help you focus your writing and make sure that your book actually resonates with your intended audience. So, it's really important to get this right because I'll use my dog cat analogy that I do every time. If you're writing a book about dogs but your audience are cats, then there's going to be a disconnect and it just won't work. So, making sure you keep that in mind. The next one, especially helps if I press the right button. So the next one is to develop an idea. So it's really important to brainstorm ideas and choose one that you're really passionate about. The more excited you are about your idea, the more motivated you'll be to actually finish writing that book. The next step is to create an outline. So once you get your idea after your brainstorming, you need to then create a basic outline of your book. And this actually helps you to organize your thoughts and ideas, and it just gives you a roadmap to help you with your writing process. Now this doesn't need to stay the same. It can change, but it's just a great place to start and get moving ahead. The next one is setting goals. So you need to establish daily, weekly, or monthly writing goals. I think if you want to get it done quickly, then I would try and do weekly, of course. Daily, if you've got the time, daily is great. But even, if it's 15 minutes, it's one step ahead. So, you know, doing little baby steps and doing a little bit each day or each, week even is going to get you to the finish line and will help you get it done a lot easier and not feel overwhelmed, which a lot of people, this is what happens. They get overwhelmed and so they just give up. The next one is research. Now, depending on the subject matter of your book, you may need to do research to, make sure that you have actual, like accuracy and credibility, and especially facts. Like you need to get those right because people will check, and if you have not put the right correct facts in there, that will damage your credibility. So making sure that you do proper research. And even family history books, a lot of people, if you want to make sure that you get those right too, because there'll always be, one member of of the family that will pull you up and say, no, that's not correct. So make sure you get that right. Okay, right. Now, once you've got your outline, you've done your, research and everything, it's time to start writing. Now, don't worry about making it perfect. It's going to only be the first draft. And the most important thing to remember here is to just do a brain dump and get everything down onto paper. You can do the rest after, like the massaging and working out what goes in, what doesn't go in. That that all happens later. So the main thing is to just start writing and getting it down. Now, remember that, the writing process is actually a journey and everyone's process is unique. Everyone has their own way of doing it. So don't think that what your way you're doing it is wrong. I'm sure that you're doing it right. If you're doing it as I've just mentioned and you're just moving forward, then you're doing it right. Okay. Now, so I want you to just stay patient, stay committed, and keep writing. But, if you do have some problems and you're not quite sure, what, you know, to do, or you are stuck in some way, please feel free to schedule a free 30-minute storming session with me, and let's see if we can't get you writing and getting that book finished. So happy to help. So I will actually place this link above the video as well, and in the page where you'll see this video, so that you can book that session if you would like. All right, I hope this has helped you, and I look forward to hearing about what your book is about and hearing about your writing journey. So good luck with it, and I'm wishing you all the very best. Thank you, and bye for now.